abrabo kosuno ene abrabo munsemo ema eto de bia amane eto ya na efi say ebronsam. Okay. Yeah, but eto me na twe me ben nyame pa. Okay. So it was then and I mean like me image. Who said the who near wo yo. And after me Mami kan we na ye nto aso etiefo bra Facebook live never share or software Richard Hagan. Software wire dreadlocks. Cash. Aye. Also on dreadlocks no wa pa nti wo de be he no. Or a nice gentleman. Wow. Ba be he ne dreadlocks no. O dreadlocks bra metimi akan o. Mehwe 1 2 This is Mr. na. This one okay. Ebi wa chire o. O de abubo mo ho. Ba o picture bi a me de aye ayi sabra mensa kan ayi no. Me de poster bi na me de artwork bi. Na wa chichire no wachi. O chichire wachi so afata o. Sure. Yeah, because me hear that picture no. Na wachichire wonachi. Kama ha. Me ka se me ma wa mame acapella ansana. Cash. Ma hye nkomo no ase. Eti mame acapella ba ko ho. Na afi nkomo no mintu fa so okore. Me pa chi. Eti etiefo munye din na muntie Osofo Richard Hagan. Oye sofo we nyame nipa. Oye dwumtini. Ene de bedi nkomo afa na brabo ho. Na aboa but ontonum papa ne voice no e so unique edanso eti Sofo Hagan over to you. Amen. We dey efutu na bodi. Okay. Ma ore fi unyami o onyami dada no a onu no di we do baby a we do wo ko we ni makai wo kan do Emma ure fi wajin kwano onyame dada no a onu no do we do baby a we do uko we ni makai ukane do ena me wo mo bros no bi de nyamoa onyame ashore chankwanta na ya ka hu se enya wa wodi o ejo nyame na wa ye nya wa brane wa sin wo mane so now money was soon more brand I say. Onu no do we do baby I will do. Onu no do baby I will do. Baby obiete ma wa shase no. Obi so di mi kan etwemu wo. Baby awuko yi wunko enti men konko ya mu ajimai. Oni pare be financial sempa. Enye nyame a obo no. Wow. Onu no do we do baby I we do uko we ni makai wo kan do kai ni do dono remember your first love. Remember your first love. Wow. Dono if you saw ya dear oh ya dear minyami no ya dear no oni yenera oh ya risafo oh ya return no besa ya minyami yo ya risafo ye fene radinya mi arisafo na oya adie oni ye nerade na nia se no na fire no yo oya adie oya adie mi no oya adie yo anywhere so
Osofo Richard Hagan onyame enwum no voice no de achew.
Thank you.
Na eyenso say one fam mawiase na wo so de beye n'adwuma efi say nyame wo chewade a ode wo pa ma wo.
Sure.
Wo pa wo betimi de aye n'adwuma. Sure. Ebi mu de wo mu de eye wiase adwuma ba wo de nyame de ma wo no wo so de beye n'adwuma na nyame adwuma nso we are see you know nothing. Because we live in a wicked society.
Very, very, very.
So we are watching say the whole world comes against you.
Sure.
Say if we are saying no, the default system near evil. It's the moment who go against the system of the world.
My God, sure.
You are going against the system of the world because the system of the world is evil. It means that they will all come against you.
That's speaking deep.
Oh yes, facing an attack. No, something we are watching say you have to expect it.
Yes.
Any one say surprise.
Yes.
In this world you have troubles. But cheer up because I have overcome the world.
My God.
It's the moment I obey what you say. Aduma chedi bi nyamediama sa wo de ye wiase wiase nyina be support o
sure
omu nyina na mo sa wo ye what you say no me fan support wiase na mo pese me de ye nyame adwuma na wiase nyina atwene ho. That is why obi obey na dwen se oni nyame be nante no o go through some wilderness season, some lonely season.
My God.
Rejection, disappointment. If said the opposite way, you know, it's against you are opposing the system of the world. It's a kwa but onyame nso e ka kwa so aka hu se nyame ka ho. Ehona obehuno
ono pese obi agyaw
esa na aka wono ohu nani monyam because se nipa bebre wurawuramu a wan hwe bi o mbagine se omo na yeye but nam se nyame pese onya nani monyam ti sometime he allows all those rejection wo ma ho kwan e ma sa rejection ni nyina eba na yato afa ha na yato afa ha na obi afiri wo nchen na in the midst of it no then you see his glory.
My God.
I say nipa nyina yi Joseph Maye what the prison the Bible say God was with him. Or the prison or say God was with him. Oh yes, sure. Or that prison or say God was with him. Ebre ye chatro ebre mpo ni nyon mu deny no because he had a dream. God was with him. Ebre no owo pity no. It is a way ye gidi na wo ti ase sa etimi bo afri say the moment obey what you say you are going to go against the system of the world. Ah omu nyina ne dey against God.
My God.
Everything here is against God.
My God.
BBI is against God. BBI tia nyame. At the moment I obey what Jesus said, then the world will come against you.
Sure.
But emuno se wutimi jina when you are in the fire Noah, he will come there. Said yes. Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. He was the fourth man in the furnace.
My God.
But also oba jenim. But also do betu jem. But he will appear in the furnace. He will appear in the wilderness.
It is in the fire and in the wilderness you will see.
My
God.
So we say Hagan kwano nam wilderness. Na hona nyame yi ne ho adi kire no. Oh yes, Abraham Jacob nso aka wono nko a opamo na yiri ne obi. Hona nyame yi ne ho adi kire no. But we don't want to go through that season where we will experience the glory of God.
My God.
I say comfort no. Comfort no de wu no. Comfort in the comfort zone you will not meet him. But in the wilderness,
in
the furnace, in the waters,
my God.
My
God.
Yeah, it is Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego say, "Oh, hine, yan somo, on one ebe somo no."
Jesus.
It is all the ebe 2 jama for yetum, the ebe CBNC. Nyame anyi ye kra, we are willing to die.
Sure, powerful.
Yeah, if he does not come through for us, we are ready.
So it means enye ni emfaso e benya we
odo ye woman in intinity say onu kra na ye do no ye penasem it is oja na wa mamu kra ye wu if we perish
afiante na matim story na see.
Yeah, if we perish
Jesus
wa ma me she kra
me okay
mesomu menya hye amfrim me ampanka me ko wiasem ko jejina stage so a enke bi ye bebo me din but ya mo me din poda. At the end of days, if you are pleased, I am pleased.
I am pleased, my God.
If you are pleased, no.
Sure.
Until we look unto Jesus, the author and the finisher of our faith. It is a one mama shimponua. I will be here. Mama warrior no crowd will be here.
I will be here.
One mama banner crowd will be here. Oh, I will be here. And Crown crowd Kojamia, I will be here.
I'll be here.
And Juman crowd Bomia, I will be here. So long as me ne what sene die na me won nchene die am okay.
Mama entina odum tini say wa kweni na mu mitima kweni na mu ya
Ai akwanyi na mu yetiase a yetema yewu nso a yewu ma it is a one mama she kra I'm here Daniel was there be on hini there be mesumi nyame emani nka jata na nwemi ma jata na nwemi and how many Christians and the betimi get to this point aka say rade aware no de bo one fam mo I'm here I want one fam mami me se me do me no betina me ma I want tete me no ntem Jesus me ma ware ntete me no ntem me ma wiase ntete me no ntem me ma sika ntete no ntem ba wo so me pa ware me nya enti me jan sori me sumu biem me peba me nya da bi ene wo do no ye conditional love
sure and then I bet it ene
nya me ntem ya e dey say wo do no ye conditional ono de wo do unconditionally Every so born in why you still he loves you. Bibi antete won ne ntem. Ba den tina wo de wo de condition ato ho. Because no do one for condition ato ho. Etina sa wo hia se kra he is still faithful. Etina wo koba na wo se fami born echa me he is still faithful. No de achew. One for condition bi amata won ka se edum pomponsuo bi a wanye ne yi ntem ato wachene.
My God.
One for na de na wo de na chi wo de condition ato ho. Ada na wo de condition ato ho say.
Just onim no.
De bi
untina
say I didn't know the condition at home say aware na amadia me nsu mu biem na say aware ntina oba enye sa na say adwuma ntina oba na say awo ntina oba na nka wunya mekane a
cash
kamede dia kanyina beka ho enka wunya mekane a
nya kanina
kamede dia ena nya kanyina no so me de mawo a entimi control
una obe control
because the here wo no ye menye sa de no
and I saw him with deep.
I saw
my your friend. Because we deep.
I. Enti una di kan me una me show. Dia kan nyina eba omu nyina be ye me nko a. I will not serve them, they will serve me.
They would serve me. Minya
na me Yeswa Mashadina Miwo Yeswa Miwadina Osumbu Chanadina enu no eya wo na me pew enti bibia de won fama me bia me wa ha na wo yes na bonsam suru because onim se bibia ni ho betimi de atete woni nyame ntom wanya ware na wo ha wanya sika na wo ha wanya fame na wo ha etidie na odi benya wo
edie na
obetimi use some more compromise
my God
edie na odi beba a wo beja to da bi de ehia wo no nie wanya awie
Jesus
ono na wanya no Yesu na wanya no no ti no se Yesu amenya no nti me gidi se me yenkonim difo ono na menya no no I'm satisfied I'm content eti no wuntimi nka se aware manti me firi nyame na me kwan me ni ba bia akọ
my God
wo na me bibia you are my alpha and my omega
my God
me ni ba bia akọ wonni ma hyase ni ma wieye
mommy unim enyum bi wo ho o say minchen oh nyani
SOMPA FM
Michelle oh nyani me wa Jesus Martin kwa sumbu mamia Michelle oh nyani
what a voice wow
Michelle oh nyani oh Michelle oh nyani
hey
me wa Jesus Martin kwa
hey
oh
oh
me senior ono also obosika
oh yes
I am more than a believer
oh yes
because for Christ being with me I am my God
energy bi hye wakoma mu ma obi hu obeji say David wo no na wo se unya ka wani beji wo na wo se unya aware ya no wani beji wo na wo se ka wonni nti wo ra ho
daddy mommy me say ya na tekra na Philip benze
benze because wonim say the otu mu no sisi the wo wiase
adom na so ye nso no too much adom no too much
na enkomo no de matisi esi akina wo ye street evangelism bi me no bedi nkomo na Wednesday mo
Wednesday
okay ukuada e be say wo ni but wa brabo mu nkomo de e be sha ase akina me na wo chi ne kamenya na kamepo but e wo si ukuada wo ko ba say ukuada obeba ukuada say obeba na
ukuada na
Wednesday no
me so dem ayelo
pa asantini be mapa
ehun rough
mehu me the poster not to so they are to your Facebook page Richard Hagan Ministries in collaboration with True Worshippers Revival Ministries present Street Evangelism. My new ni Street Evangelism no ho enkomo na ema ye nhunu nyame adoma ukuada ye 27 next ukuada de won't me but the wo de kwaye bra Tuesday and Friday okay bra amma kwaye ye me twa chede wo amma me misinformation me twa na chede bia Richard ma ye ni wonni nkomo nyame nipa efa street evangelism ugina Mark chapter 16 verse 15 so na wo de aye no ukuada na ochina no de na omuni wadi wabrabo mu nkomo na ukuada no de wakoye nyame adwuma na nyame adoma fiada no waba na me no so atwa so kan wasem kakra kire
street evangelism ekoso Wednesday say na
okay ukuada Wednesday
2 p.m. yeah wo gate 1 community 25 udu community 25 estate junction udu on my taxi station
na tema na okay tema community 25 ona mo ye street evangelism
estate junction deaf track
okay
estate junction ono okase oko PS Global 1 gate 1 on man ye program no
gate 1 hona na mo be
gate 1 on my outside
oh okay
yeah
okay na em say deaf track minim ho kakra wan mu na mu ehwe se mu tun safe se nipa mra na se etise ka ho asam kire
inviting crowd someone brand on bear witness the power of God
okay
and then Bible say yenko wi asiama ni na ne and we have a lot of people on the street. At times when we talk about church we think it is the church room
and I say be can sorry na say nipa omugu asori there
sure but yemre fi say asori ni no eni ye ni pedua no it is our body and we have a lot of people on the street that because of circumstances they can't even enter into the premises of God into your great ministers of God nana adobia sikapa masem yetiawa yeah unsanu njuma bom koshwa is coming a lot of ministers are coming. I will see there are a lot of ministers that are coming. Some are not on the bill, but all I want to say is come, and then your life is not going to be the same because me myself alone, I'm there, and God is going to do something great. I hear street evangelism side, and whenever we go for street evangelism, people give testimonies, especially with healing. People really give testimonies. So we are inviting everyone to come around, to come and make love with God. It is all about making love with God, coming to exalt the name of God. Yeah.
SOMPA FM.
Matisse nyame adom ochanso enumre obeba third service SOMPA obaba live worship during the third service prophet Mango Day dwumadi no so say wo chira enumre so from 7 to 9 Matisse chira obeba so edi entina okay ena eda ho no Pastor Richard Hagan obeba third service so was SOMPA 106.5 FM one prophet Mango Day ena ebedi sa adwumadi no ntimo nhya no so na munhia no wochena nso say wo to dwum na yemo de pa so ha no nya ne sa ha yemo brasem ye obi asem na brabo mu nkomokora na ebedi ne mabɔ na hyemu a ena ye de ada ne nyame asem na ye ka no sofo se obi tie wo a wo lose hope mobi wo ha ne leader so nyina asa what say ye kan Yesu ho asem but Yesu no ono de enhyeda enkano because come de no because ene da so asa ne mama ne papa reject no obi otisa wo tie ona di asem na be ka che no sofo therefore mo share your Facebook page no yeah unveiling no sabre no so for Richard Hagan beto dwom
wow
na video no wa ha ebra yeah unveiling SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra no etime ni di nkomo ye twa de atoso behwe mo amantimi ama unveiling no mo mehwe the course that day no it was a very special day that na that strong pa ye ni je pa na o de na ni mo nyam beta akire beto dwom pa anti time a wo ye show no o de live band no o be ba beto se owo ho eti bra na be hye bebra ye twetwe nkomo no nti sofo obi a o tie wo sabri e di asem na obeka kire
no so mommy me hu nyame nka but me pese me ka kire o se o pese o hu nyame a e wo wamane enimu eni nhire enimu
e wo wamane enimu
nyame wo se ne a oda ne hu edi kire
e kire obi a
obi wo no ma se wenye ska onti nyame ase obi nso wo no ma wankɔ ohiemu a
onti nyame ase
and until we read the Bible now Bible say Jonah nyame nchen na wo free nyame nchen nyame ankasa manframa kese ebo wo pono so ti na kye say to de bia amane ne ba ono
ene ma ho kwan
wa sheda se ne be ye be twen
wa gene aba ne sumpo
ebi mu kwa abosom so me mitimi ka say ni na nyame nhihye eno na me ne me ma me bon komo na o say me bre ya to extend say me ne madam fu bi kasa no say yen ko bosom so o say that time na afiance na masate Assemblies of God na me ko sorry Sunday penya me na time me ko na makobosom ne so sa Sunday na ofri asoli de ni mo awo
no sa kobosom ne so
o say o ya rituals obey no 4 days instead of 7 days 4 day oda on mo upon church oda on man na nyame yi ni ho edi kire no say baby a wo ko no
enye mini ho
say what nyame ni da no what Jesus din da wa mani enimu no din say what did Jesus din da
wa mani enimu no bonidin bo Jesus din
ko bosom so na mfa no kire say on mo mbo ani ho
oh yeah
ebi mo ko ma ne ye ebi mo ko no hwinsi
yeah
wo wako insina kire say opeso kire say onim wo honom onim wo e wo no ni din mu
yeah
and in the midst of that problem
yeah
get close to him more
bo Yesu din
yes because in your loneliness he's the only one around because of the situations on the street me debi ameka say me favorite musician in Ghana Shatawale
okay
is me
because of street you know
yes because he's a preacher so let's look at me was social media this week and I was looking at Shatawale and people on the street waiting na me bisa me say how many men of God and they be chiomo and then crowd be go street so and this one should even send a message to the church say we are not doing well we should do well because we have people on the street the only reason why they are smoking is that they think smoke is their God the only reason why obi benum otiana wanum red if you have not been there before you don't understand it obi a ohun busum da no beka say busum semu ni o obi a onya yale sada e onyame fie no beka say onyame fie no at times the church have to run to the street
I see a kokwan so
yeah until what would see now I want to let you know say your problem is not the end it is the beginning of Christ showing himself to you
wow
it is the beginning of
Christ showing himself to you.
Because Jonah, Bible says, when Jonah left his presence, when the issues came, even when the problem came, he was so comfortable in the ship.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, the problem was from him. Bible says, "Yaba betu no atumpu ni muno, na nyame prepare bonsu." So it means that even in your problem, you want 1,000 Ghana. God has given you 10 CD. You know, said that particular time, 10 CD is what will help you. Jonah Mompire da. Obia also do nyankopon. Even when he was comfortable, the guy did not pray, he ran. But in the belly of the whale, Bible said he prayed. When he was not at his comfort zone, Bible said he prayed. In the belly of the whale, in the midst of the storm.
Oh yes, in the midst of the storm.
In at the place where you were stranded.
I said, who said, who quanta na who quadra? I but what came Finfi?
Israel for say, na me na odi emba so ba begu enu ma. Na odi emba na wa mayant na Egypt. Sometimes we are too comfortable at where we are. Ebima is so comfortable with red. Because red has been their savior.
Eno ni nyame. Eti wo call how manu akwadan no.
Mama, uni baby abeda. In so pity. Me have been ye call na metimi call na so to na nkofo dawe mu na mesu. Na mesu say I'm like eno mpo ye pamo omo.
Yeah.
Say baby mo di shiba lo abesia na mo da mo mfia no. I was like wow. Inti imagine say nipa na nsuo to no. E den no be amanada. Onu red or call off.
No man no call off nti dey be.
Na debut e den no bet until she. Debut. I didn't know between red na katenkwan na abenkwan si na ne tiri mu kra
until
when you serve God and you understand God, in the midst of the problem, you don't feel it. There is no storm in the child of God's life. Our God is perfect. So, no, and God does not know poverty. It is the source for you to be rich. But until say what dream beba say Charlie adie we eyenyame ansa na be yenshua.
Okay,
etina you start my life story no you would understand this very well.
Matthias here
mommy enya easy
yeah,
there are certain places nyame intentionally or share that will fall for the future sake.
That binti
yes
no correct
there be awale no share that say no say na be etina be a good counselor to somebody. Yeah, or share that pan or say no if I always say if Jacob did not marry 2 wives, he wouldn't have 12 children. And the 12 children
from the 12 tribe of Israel.
You get it? So that it is only a child of God that knows God. And when you're a child of God, Bible said it is father to son or father to child. It is spirit to spirit. When you understand the spiritual aspect, you come to know say unjao
orinya imeda Orinya emeda Yesu Orinya emeda Adekuna mini Zababiara meko Yesu doya Orinya emeda Mesi Orinya emeda Orinya emeda oh yes you Orinya emeda adekuna mini sababiara meko yes you do Orinya emeda Orinya ye wakan ho ye de da so na ebre wa wiye ba bia wutie SOMPA o jaya wuro wodie no wate jaya se wusu ko no maduro wuo no wate
ebi
bo Yesu din edi aburo din nyina so bodi no edi ayaresaba edi ogie ba edi wonimwo
edi amatumi
edi atumi wo mu edi adanti na wusu na ye wo sa wo ya ankonam aya wo se wo bia ni ho wonim se nipa nyina yi nipa na yi wo manyame nyi wo ma yo onyame nyi wo ma Hagan no nam wo danas no so no onyame ba ho be kire ne ba bia nsuo da onyame be kire ba bia nsuo da
ba unveil na me wo me be danas mu opa hwe video no be hwe hwe video no na hwe guy no oba me da bi me na metumi ni so for bon komo na maka say papa me ko na say no Hagan oboa you can't tell me you are going through all
this yes no
every day you are smiling
I video no ban unveiling enie sabra na wo fa
hwewe na hwe me
na wo fa ne mam
wo bodan fo na me ka che ma me say matinya me ase o wo bodan fo na kwan so a ebi mu bodam o as nya they answers no at the end you know you are qualified for it. What throw exams when you're 100 report neighbor what failing how are you going to answer it
wait a day
Dobio No, how will you answer it? You wrote the exams.
Yeah.
You passed. Now me carry actual BSc. If you delay and obey, na me cheaper no assurance. Hey, near me na 27.
Oh,
side to other Roma. Side to other Roma. 20. Now they be me report by na. Me teachers now you confused to school say how can you get 27 Richard Hagan? And who call side to? Ina nu nyame. O result e beti me dia mo bi. Now they be school by now call ye.
Oh.
Like you
Matthias Yepa
qualified.
I wouldn't say dear no ko wa chapa wa ya
at the end of the day,
ya tam dia mo bi.
How will you explain it?
Oh, who ko kan wo he?
What can you say?
Awesome.
And such ebanisa na ebi mu na what yes history so o kan yesre no.
Yeah, ya nyini.
Oh, yetimi ka ya asema ne ya ne mitimi kwa asole amesi mi nkobiem.
Oh,
mitine fie 1 year. Man kwa asole mi ko programs pe.
Oh,
minim na mini pa me ne nkobon komo. Minim na me ngi ndi. They be eto de edu
disappointment na ba mabro so.
Na me no, it got to a point I didn't even believe that God exists.
Oh,
I was like, oh, this one is a funny story.
Yeah, I said, yeah, Nancy Semubi, any eka. Nancy story.
Mommy, me tina siya no. Me tina siya na me moon say.
Atina say.
Oh no, I said that no. Amanya Nancy sao. But I started having peace.
Unya sumjiebi.
Unya sum.
Washa me bode. Wakame udenina. Metriwa. Metro botai kasi menkwa nanyina maso meradia nyimako wakwe mejai mawo enkwaji bi ewo umo Imanoa mese wansa me bode wakame hudanina metriwa metrobotai kasi menkwa nanina masumaradi nyimako okui mejai mawo enkwaji bi awo umo ayaresa bi awo umo enimonyambi awo umo imano kabibia
enuonyam ne nkwade a ewo nyame mu no enye obi adia
da bi
enimbadia
mo
ose kunimdie eye membadia enti kosisa obeti ase se oye me papa no oho na nkwade ne start
wo ye wo papa wo ye wagya wo so se yegya wo soro
onye wagya well sometimes what we don't know is that we come to him. Some of us come to him as visitors.
As ye besra na wo hobi.
But kosi se obe so I me papa no.
Wo ye me papa.
Onja wo.
Debi.
No, say oya papa na wo find yourself. O papa say ade ni na ye ne dia o esikeni. Enti wo wo hiam na kire say eye wo na wakɔhwehwɛ ho no.
Sa.
Wo na wakɔ no, wo na we gya no. Enti kɔhwehwɛ ne akira kwan. Na obeye wodefo.
Obeye odefo. Wo hwehwɛ na akira kwan a. Dia wo no wode bema se eje bia de kuta ne bia wode ma ne ma de kuta eja pa bia na ye kura ye nipa kura no ye nipa mpo se bia wo sesa wo ma esa wo pan no wo mfa boɔ ma no wo sra wo mpata wo nkofa wo wo ɔsa wo fe ma no na menyame
na
de na wo pa menti menyame
na menyame
ba ya no ye ni wo de ye pe no so more than se ye benya wo no na nka ye nya wo no wie ya
mama me bisa a question entity ya tie na ya ma plane oso pe plane na ya ma plane uni pilot ubetimi a drive
debi untimi
Inti papa na esi etinase.
Esi etinase.
There are certain things sometimes we need. It is not time. Endum pempen so as what the share yensa.
What the best.
Because odoyen too much to losers.
What do you anakwa man the doba ba kopa be uama ye.
Yes.
Ayo don't hear.
Person be shiri we enti no sa de no we bisa na wunya ye no enti no fanka.
Obi wo ha wo de ma obi wo ha wo de ma we ne opewa wo hu. Obi wo ha de na wo pe no ma wadwuma na na sorry dem kwa wuntimi si wo. Empa bo kwa wuntimi mobi. Bible kwa wuntimi nkenkan bi. Obi wo de aware ne ma ne watete se kontebe. Wonti wonu ne nim de ye ma wo. En wonim. Onim na ye ma. Eh.
Odonfo
nyami no ni. Mami, wonim de ye ma ye. Enum na yedi kan tu empese baby e me deposit se nipa nyina yi e hono to mame minim hono to buy hono ye me depa because e be speaking to someone obi a wo tie ye we was SOMPA 106.5 FM a e ni se nipa nyina yi na ma o kan bi go se nipa nyina yi me ma e so for written
se nipa nyina yi me ma asitwemu
se wo kan me hye
Abreni dadu ni narasa.
Hey.
Me too many wa me wo biara di sonya me. Ni pe ni na imima. Asitremu. Sawa ka me shawa. Abreni dadu ni nasa. Me mama ni dwa me wo biara di sonya me. Mesiana me unuda.
Ansame bote ikame udanina
mechabuta kesibi
menkwananina masumerati
enimo kuyi
ewunimo kunso ampa eti edini enkwachi bi awon memu
enuma yeto anu
sa
enuma yeto asole sa
wow
na me papa enuma ni first time me papa preach wo Ghana with UK.
Okay.
And this was one of the songs that connected me to him.
Wow.
Yeah.
This is beautiful.
And mom adana me two son me kasemi. And na me body me catch kayafa say kayafa. E betimi abansi e gina has si akra no. 10 cedi mpu ni wo koto. Then I was not just saying something. I was just talking about my life.
Oh.
That particular time ani e gina onom no. Send me a coffee be na
problem.
Ne kram ni na me kodu kaso no. Na kase shishi. But obi enim Richard Hagan. Obi enim Richard Hagan. But na nothing.
Anti bibi enim ho.
But odono amedika kotu nyame nyum na like
when gie na hye wakoma mu ma.
Okay. And after that, mommy, I was blessed.
Nyame shirai.
Nyame shirai me.
Man nsa
this that video alone in Crawford connecting, and I'm a pastor because of this video.
Wow. Wow.
And I mean, I'm making me Bible school, sir. And my coach church of on say, Papa, o person o sisa me destiny in temo. Menya. Me started Bible school at the age of 15 years.
Wow.
You see me so for say see that.
See that was
but assembly to ye won bra nyame ya na ade.
Yeah.
Uye nipa na onim na.
Also a God of times and seasons.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Onim na ontinas you. And sem ne buy no obi anka o. Oh, na me amidwa no me na me frɛ papa, me say papa, I'll do it.
Obey ya fe de me ya meye. Who dwane yenye se wonu ai ti se Jonah no. Se wo so wonko.
Me de me pa.
Yes ko na never yes wonko. Wo so wonko. Ntia ne de wo bekwa kwhyem. Se wo so wonko. Wo so wonko de ya. Ene yes ko na never kwaka se wo so wonko. Ne ye nim de be ye be mo akọ. Ni onim de obey ye be mo akọ. Onim de obey ye wo e be mo akọ.
Sure.
Onyame was so whom he loves he chastises.
My God. Enti asemi krama. Wa wonam kwan so na wa bre na wo hu nya wo ye.
onim nyobeya was they throw sometimes situation or they fray no situation na by your life me be hu nani monyam no that situation na and my despise no the same situation or they fray no some situation or person or dan hu ani monyam or dan ani monyam didi kire no some situation na na em penasam
Enwa
is the same situation adie na atu na nyame dey fra wo say come home adie na nyame dey fra say call on me and I will answer you said what kind of Jeremiah chapter 33 verse 3 call on me and I will answer you sa adie na atu no nyame dey the signal be ma wo say call on me and I will answer you ba sa adie no ama wo tan nyame etore bi nso sa adie na atu na no ano so opese wo di hu nani monyam sa adie na wo de ba life mu so obe hu nani monyam no sa adie na nso na wo despise and sometimes he wonders me bayi wonni ntiase wonni me na ka wonni me ka wo be hu say this situation amakwa eba say enka wo be ko kotodwa anim eba say enka wo be to nsa frem me na enka ware issue nka wo to nsa frem me enka adwuma sam nka wo to nsa frem me enka adamfo nka wo to nsa frem me enka wo ba no wo on drugs nka wo to nsa frem me ka wo sika no obi di adwane nka wo to nsa frem me enka mebamba wo eno to wo no wo say why me wo say why me and the rather no ama ho kwan nanso na me situation no nka fa frem me some situation ye mu na nka me pese me dan wani me di mani nyam ededi eti Joseph ebra no wo da prison ho no prison no mu na nyame de be hye ne ho ani nyam
prison ni mu
sa enti ye be say sometimes when we go through difficult times and hard seasons they are not meant to destroy us
no
eto na bia say there to make us metiasie say asema reverend kai to bi kura na free wa eto bi na your own mistakes and negligence eto bi wani kura na ho nyame draw attention say behave wisely
my god
tutu wonam oyi baby a wonam na nye wogini pedi dodo wogini pedi dodo baby abedu bia na wo fandam for won say de wo trouble so enti metu adwene abaso say de be ya wo behunu nyansa enu na awrade me yeden na me namfofo a mefa bia nyame se da bi wogini pedi dodo ntia eti ade bia betu ye no eye call o say come up hither
my god
eti won come up hither
my god
me say brasro because who low level dodo eti won fam mase oba se wo
me so be preach wo maso
oyo nyame a wodo ne ma o oyo nyame a wodo ne ma no pe ne ma asem onyame so sese manfa Yesu Kristo ankamewa ede na wo pa memfa ma eti nyame edo ne ma God loves us odo ye wose wo kura mu ye nipa bonefo se mo ma esre mo pan no a se mo nkofa bo ma no se wo sre mo fishia mo nkofa kura mu ye nipa bonefo mo kura mu ye evil na enti se me wose me nsanye tia wo me nsanye tia
oh Jesus
ye me nsanye tia eti ebe se wutie ye na ni da so asane ye wo se rade na me de be ba wiase ene ma be se be pa che wo frɛ no ana na wo frɛ no nso wo twɛn no ana
powerful
me pa che wo frɛ no wo twɛn no ana wo di nani mu kan
oh Jesus
wo so de se wo di nani mu kan kra wo sa bra na wonu ni wani mu kan na won fo na mo sisi efi say what the enemy meant for evil he is more than able to turn it around for your good so for me bra na so e kina na me ni obedi nkomo pa for what's me chat for my na yemfa dwumadie mrawe na o kira nyame yadom a waba ne yasan to us
wow obi biara utie SOMPA FM enewie because nyame nshra
amen
these words are abe funny and your life would never be the same in the midst of the problem the right person closest is God
oh yes
there is no man around you he is the only one around you don't give up on him
amen
he would always be with you
okay
God loves you
God that's it